9 a.m. and the room is nicely filling up. And while we are waiting to officially kick things off, I have an ice-breaking poll for you because I want to make this event collaborative. It shouldn't be a one-way street. I would love to create a connection. So throughout the conference, we'll be using Slido for you to ask questions and also to engage you in live polls. And as I said, while we are waiting for the other participants to fill up this an amazing hall, I want to engage with you. So take out your phones, ladies and gentlemen, please. Scan the QR code behind my back over there. And let me know, why did you decide to join this conference? What is the main reason why you are here? Why you are spending today and tomorrow here with us in this incredible community? So, are you here to learn new things? Are you here to meet maybe new clients? And at the same time, potentially the existing clients, your friends? Are you here to network, to extend the community? Or you just came here to visit Prague? It's a beautiful city after all, so let us see where you stand on this topic. So 70% of you are definitely leading on learning new things, and you are in the best possible place in order to do that. The upcoming 2 days will be absolutely packed with awesome speakers, great inspiration. So it's heavily in the lead. At the same time, networking, 15% of you, fantastic. If I combine it with meeting new clients, which is once again also about building new relationships, so 23% of you, about 1/5, 1/4 of you are here also to build new connections. So we are going to be doing that throughout the upcoming 2 days. And it's an amazing thing to see that 11%, every 10th person is here to actually visit Prague. Amazing. Thank you so much for engaging with me, keep on engaging with myself and with the other speakers. As I said, we want to make this a dialogue. And we're going to kick things off in a couple of moments. So please make yourself comfortable. Good morning, everyone. Wow. Okay, this kind of energy at the first time. Okay, let's do it once again. Good morning, everyone. I love it. I love it. This is crazy. The first moment, and there's electricity in this room. It's absolutely amazing. Quick show of hands. Please raise your hand if this is your first time at the Free Days conference. Okay, give them a clap, please. Give them an applause. Thank you so much for coming to this conference for the first time. Please raise your hand if this is your second time coming to this conference. Okay, veterans, give them a clap. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me officially welcome you to the second edition of the Free Days conference. Almost 400 registrations, 4 continents and 30 countries. This is truly exceptional community. Imagine all of these people flying from all around the world just to meet over here in the beautiful city of Prague to learn, to network, and just to have fun. And those are 3 things that we are exactly going to accomplish over the upcoming 2 days. The first one is we're going to learn new things. In the pre-event poll, 70% of you said that you have come here to find inspiration and to learn new things. Well, no doubt, this industry is moving incredibly fast. Things are changing literally in real time. So this is the best place to learn about the new things. The second thing, networking. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes one connection can change your life. And 400 people sitting in this room, 400 opportunities. So go out there, meet new people, and we are going to proactively help you to meet new people. And last but not least, please do have fun. There is a saying, you cannot compete with somebody who is having fun. And I know that a lot of people in the audience are having incredible fun doing what you're doing. So bring that fun also to this room. My name is Juraj Holub, and I will be your host for the upcoming 2 days. It's going to be full of learning and networking. And at this moment, I want to bring to the stage 2 people who are having an amazing fun organizing this conference. Let me welcome to the stage the founders of the Free Days conference, Michal, Gula, and Tomas Barnas.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Guys, so did you truly have fun organizing this conference, all those months and weeks leading up to it?
No. Of course we
Elaborate.
Of course we did. That's the reason why we decided to make it the second year, because we really enjoyed the atmosphere from the last year, the attendance and the feedback from all of you who are here, partners and visitors, exhibitors. So yeah, we really enjoyed it.
The first edition truly exceeded all the expectations. What do you hope to recreate with the second edition?
So big part of the conference last year and also our vision was to create a networking event. So to create an event where we all can meet, learn, speak about our industries, other industries, see the technologies we all are using, or how the others are using it. And as we saw last year that it was working well, we really want to build up on this and just push the boundaries, and welcome still more and more guests and new technologies.
I'll pick that keyword, how the others are using it. In other words, we've got an incredible community over here. And Michael, I know that you are really, really big on bringing the community together. So what makes this community over here so special?
I think they are all crazy.
Tell me more.
do you need more? No. They are crazy into technology. They are apparently very eager to learn something new. And they are apparently sick of being only online, so they want to meet their colleagues, partners, clients, and just enjoy themselves among people that are similarly crazy as they are.
Beautiful. We've got a common ground over here, and we wouldn't be here without, community partners. Tomas, tell us more.
Not only community partners, but especially, we have multiple groups of partners, but I would just like to mention our main partners which are supporting us the most, which is Intergeo, Excretes and Trimble. We are very thankful for the support, not just to you guys, but also to all the other partners and exhibitors, and as well, again, I will just repeat it, to all the visitors who are here.
Gentlemen, thank you so much. We're going to see you in a bit on the stage and a bit later on the stage. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And you know, community will be one of those keywords. And as I mentioned, I would love to make this event a bit more collaborative. So please take out your phones. I have a question for you. I would love to understand, and I would love to also paint that kind of a picture for all of you who is actually sitting right here, right now in this audience. What is your role? What do you do? How would you describe it? We've got the visitors, obviously, but we also have the directors. We've got the VFX compositors, we've got the surveyors, we've got the BIM managers, 3D specialists, managing Scam to BIM. Let's just bring it all up and create this kind of a beautiful word cloud of all those roles, all those positions that you do host, to get a better understanding who is right here, right now here with us. We've got surveyors in the lead, CEOs, a lot of business leaders, which is fantastic. Networkers, forensic, game design, product managers, architect, filmmakers, sales managers. This is incredible. It's such a diverse community. Take a look at it. This is wonderful. And while you're still typing, we've got almost 30 people still typing. I want to, once again, I'll step aside. You're already taking a picture of it. Please do. And I think it really beautifully demonstrates how diverse the 3D technology industry truly is, how many different industries it actually does take on. Amazing. So, we can see that we've got a diverse community over here. Let me just start with the first networking exercise. And the energy is absolutely amazing. So what I want you to do in a few moments, I would like you to turn to your neighbor, ideally somebody whom you don't know yet, because it's about meeting new people. And your question to discuss will be, what's one thing that you are currently working on? Okay? Introduce yourself to your neighbor and tell them what's one thing you are currently working on. All right? I'm going to give you 1 minute. Please start now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this an amazing energy that you are giving one another and you are creating in this room. So while you are finishing your small group discussions, once again, let's paint that picture. Let's see what you are truly working on. Somebody is working on him or her. Very good. Very good. That's the basis. It's a good start to be working on yourself. Alrighty. So what is that one thing you are currently working on? Ladies and gentlemen, please, let's bring those projects up over here on the screen. What is that thing you are currently working on? Perfect. So, PhD, 30-second high-resolution 3D scan, money, fire investigation. We've got a lot of students, multiple castles, technology adoption, master's degree, 4D beam, 3D scans, reality capturing and intergeo, gym, YouTube channel, school film. You want to be the biggest in Spain, meet new friends, 3D, Gaussian splatting, drone mapping, feature film, 3D scan, culture, narrative viewer, GS rendering, VR, Unreal Engine projects, digitalization, incredible stuff, 3D models. Somebody's still trying to figure out and find out their own 3D company. Amazing, reality capture, heritage scan, ERP, resting, but also 3D GS, cool, VR travel for wheelchairs, wow, 3D data for BIM, data quality, digital twin, incredible projects, this is amazing. At the same time, these are all the topics that we are going to be discussing right here, right now. So please stay tuned, because you're going to find a lot of inspiration and the best practices in order to do that. And before we move on, you are doing absolutely amazing job by interacting, by using Slido, by talking with one another. And I want to encourage you, please keep on doing that. Keep on posting the questions for the speakers. In the first place, to learn something new. And in the second place, we want to make it a little bit of a game out of it. So at the end of this day 2, we're going to give out a couple of awards for the ones who submitted the most questions. But this is the secondary. This is of the secondary importance. The most important thing is to actually learn the stuff that you have come here to learn.